This video shows you how to design a pretty crown using exocad Dental CAD. The first step is to create a digital order form for the pretty crown. Then you import the patient's STL file to the interface. This file can be created by using an intraoral or model scanner. When defining the insertion direction, the whole of the margin line should be clearly visible in the view from above. You can use the 2D magnifying glass to help you define the margin line. You can modify the margin line either by moving the spline points on the margin line or by dragging the line up or down. You can also remove individual spline points or add new ones. If you prefer, you can define the margin line yourself. As a precautionary measure, it is advisable to compare the CAD margin line with the physical model. The next step is to check the preset milling parameters and the default cement gap, making any adjustments that may be necessary. Align the pretty crown. You can move, rotate, and rescale the library crown. When rescaling the size of the pretty crown, it is automatically adjusted to XL, L, M, or S. Now you can select the shape. You can choose from Q, square athletic, R, round endomorph, and T, trapezoidal leptosome. Use your dental expertise to position and modify the pretty crown. To make sure you get the best results when the pretty crown is ground, check that no red areas are visible in the final design. In order to obtain an aesthetically pleasing transition from the enamel to the dentin, it is important to get the length of the incisal edge right. To do this, merge in the prefab, align it, and launch the calculation. You can use the Add tool to apply extra incisal material. Remember that yellow areas lie outside the working area of the prefab and will be calculated back down to the geometry that can be fabricated. The dimensions of any parts that are thinner than the recommended wall thicknesses will be automatically increased, provided there is room in the prefab. Now you can adjust the interdental contact areas. The finished design is opened as a single unified structure in order to smooth out selective areas of the priticrown, such as the contact points. Now check the whole design once more. Then save the STL file ready for exporting to the grinding machine or grinding center. You can use the various pretty forms to help you design the perfect priticrown.